So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at a little simple project. Now, guys, if you don't know how to do these things, it is incredibly easy with today's technology to create 3D models, especially 3D models like this. So the question is this: does anyone have a file to make this, please? Let me post this image here. Now, I am going to just go ahead and copy this image. But one of the things that really frustrates me is the responses. So if you look here, um, this is very easy to make with Tinkercad, or even better, MakerWorld. Just go to MakerLab and search for the keyring tool. I could do it. I can make it. You could do it on MakerWorld. It's my first one for my daughter's hen party. Is it easy? And on and on and on. Right. So yes, I mean, in theory, can you do it on MakerWorld? Yes, but that is never the option you should be doing. What you should be doing is learning how to properly make a 3D model. And interestingly enough, A, it's easy, and B, you don't have to use any 3D modeling software, despite what all these people are saying on the internet. Okay. I have literally hundreds of examples where we're not using 3D modeling software and we can create all the 3D models we like. And also, this particular one, I don't really like it. I don't know. Is that the right word? I don't know. It's not terrible. Because it does, instead of just a regular hole punched through it, you can see it has a hole for the heart. And that is what we're going to connect our keychain hardware to. So I guess I don't hate it. It's better than just poking a hole. So anyhow, we're going to show you how to make this so easy, so simple. So we've got our image here, and we're going to right click and copy image. Now, what do we do? The first thing that we do with every single 3D model we create, almost, is we go to chat, and we're going to paste it. Now, chat does cost money. I pay $20 a month, but you can also just use the free chat. You get a certain number of prompts every day for free. So anyhow, just ask chat what we need. Okay, chat, we need some artwork for this keychain. Um, it just needs to be black and white, really. And the overall width should be about 3.5 inches, and the height would be proportionate. And that's literally it. So chat will give us the work. Chat will give us the artwork, and from there we can convert it into a 3D model. So you can see what chat gave us, which gave us exactly what we were asking for, but we didn't need the keychain, so I asked it that we just need the artwork itself. We don't need the keychain, and to position our artwork completely horizontally. And now we have a perfect image for our keychain. So we're just going to right click and copy the image, and then we'll pop over here into Inkscape here, and let's go ahead and just create a new file. And we're going to right click and choose paste. Paste our image in, and then we're going to right click and choose trace bitmap, and we don't have to do anything but click apply. There you go. Now let's go ahead and resize our artwork here to the finished size of our keychain, which right on the width here is going to be roughly 3.5 inches is 87 millimeters. Okay, so there you go. So now what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and choose path and break apart. And then we're going to come in tight here. We're going to take this outside piece and give it a color. And that's already located at the bottom. And then what do we want to do? Let's go ahead and take these two pieces right here, this one, and shift click this one. And we're going to go up here to path and combine. And now that's what we have. Okay. And then we're going to take pretty girl. And then we're going to come in here and tell you what, let's just go ahead and do path and combine again. And then we do need these letters of AVE, and shift click the rest of our text and do the same thing, path and combine. Okay, and now the heart is separate here. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut that hole into this piece. So we've got our heart, shift click our magenta piece here, and we're going to go to path and difference. And folks, that's it. So let's go ahead and save this. And we're going to call it Pretty Girl Av Keychain. Okay. So that's it. That is all of the work. So you see, we don't have to know a whole lot about Inkscape to be able to create this 3D model pretty easily. So here we have our SVG file, and what we're going to do is we're going to use our STL3D model builder, drag and drop the SVG file into the model builder, and it will automatically create the model for us. So see there's the model, and now we could just come in here and let's go ahead and open it up. So there is the keychain model here, and we just open it up, and there you go. There is our keychain ready to print out, and we have this hole here for our keychain hardware ready to go. So I can go ahead and slice the plate, print this off, and we are good to go. See, it really takes very, very little knowledge or skill, and the nice thing about doing it this way is that we always have the SVG file that we can then do other things with. So that's always nice to have as an option there. But really easy to generate keychains and hype chains and all kinds of models just by using your SVG file. So until next time, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need one-on-one training or some custom files made for you, this is my contact information, so feel free to reach out via email. You can text me. You could even give me a call. I'd be happy to answer questions or give you more details on the one-on-one training we offer, and as well as if you need custom files made until you are up to speed on how to make them yourself, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help you with that as well.